Creation isn't a straight line. It's a path of experiments, setbacks, and discoveries. Every failed print tells part of the story. Every prototype carries a lesson. Together they become something I never could have built any other way. After my stroke, I knew I had to find a purpose. I needed a reason to rise each morning, a reason to put one foot in front of the other. So I started creating. With every prototype, every redesign, every late night. I wasn't just building Slippy Cube prints. I was rebuilding my confidence, my purpose, my future. Slippy Cube Prints wasn't built in a single moment. It was built layer by layer. One idea at a time. Then I realized something. Sometimes the things we create end up creating us. All it takes is the courage to begin.